Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are doing fantastic today. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and thank you for being here again if you are a returning subscriber. So today's video is going to be about Boxycharm and we're going to be unboxing both of the boxes, which is the premium box as well as the base box. So just in case you are interested in seeing what we got in our boxes as well as trying on the products, please keep on watching and let's go ahead and get into the video. But before we do, please don't forget to like. Of course, that helps out my channel a lot, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You can also click on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. But just in case if you're wondering if I sound this so awesome all the time, no, I don't. I really like my voice like this, but I'm actually getting over a cold and so is my family. So yeah, that's why you probably didn't see a video from me last week. So let's go ahead and get into the video now that I'm feeling up and running again, and thank God I feel so much better again. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up the base box. And this is a subscription service of $25 a month, and you get from 4 to 5 full-size items. And usually it varies from skincare, tools, and makeup, of course. You do get a little card that tells you all of the products that you get in your box, as well as the retail value of each product. All right, so the first product that we have here is from Pharmacy, and this is the Whipped Green Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser, and this retails for $28. So I am really excited that we actually got a cleanser because I just ran out of the cleanser that I use in the shower. So this is going to go to my regular routine, which is exciting because I've never tried a cleanser from Pharmacy. The only thing that I'm worried about is that it's a foaming cleanser, so I'm hoping that it's not too drying or stripping to my skin, but I will keep you guys updated. If it's not here, it's going to be on my Instagram, which is Gerel_Matta. All right, so the next product that we have here is from Dermalect, and this retails for $39. This is the Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. Now, because I am still nursing, I am not going to be using anything that has retinol on, but this is what it looks like. So this product targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. So I am looking forward to using this product, especially for the sun damage part. Of course, you know, any kind of wrinkles that I have, of course I'm really happy about that too, but definitely for the sunspots, because I do see it that it's getting a little bit worse as I'm aging. So you know, why am I going to sugarcoat it? It is getting worse because I'm aging, so definitely looking forward to using this when I stop nursing. All right, so the next product that we have is from Generation Skin, and this is a hydrating marine algae eye patches, and it retails for $49.99. I love that we always get skincare in our products, and this seems to be a little bit heavy on the skincare, and it might not work for everybody, but I am so excited so far with everything that we have gotten. And the only thing that I'm not going to see myself using right away is this one, but I do look forward to using that serum for sure. All right, so this is the next product that we have, and it's from the brand MTU NYC. This is the Makeup Blending Sponge Set, and it retails for $20. How cute are this? So my sister was here with my nieces when I got the boxes, and of course I took a peek because I always do. But they were like, oh my goodness, Didi, these are so cute, can we have one? So I said, of course not yet, because you know, I had to make this video, but I'm super excited for these ones. These are super cute. Super cute. I mean, of course, you know, it's just the outer packaging, the plastic part of it that has the little faces and stuff like that, but just the whole packaging, it's adorable. And the last item that we have is the $1 Million Brow, and this is the Brow on Point Micro Pencil, and this retails for $16. And the tip, let me just show you. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up because it is super tiny, but that's it. All right, so we're going to open up the premium box, which is the $35 a month, and they do have a different tiers, and they also have add-ons and pop-ups and so many different things and sales that they actually do have on their Boxycharm website. You can go ahead and check them out. I do have an affiliated link down in the description box just in case you are interested. And if you do use my link, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate your support. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up the premium box. You ready? Okay, this is exciting, guys. This is so exciting. All right, so this is the Boxycharm for Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills premium box, and we have some good stuff to talk about. So inside your box, you're also going to get this card that gives you all the details of every single product that is in your box and what they retail for, as well as a coupon for the website for Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is buy one and get one 50% off, and you can use the code ABHXBOXY. So just in case. All right, guys, so the first thing that we have, the first thing that I noticed right away is this amazing eyeshadow palette, which I'm super excited. Let me just open it for you guys so you guys know, just in case you've never seen this palette and you don't know what it looks like, which I really doubt it, but just in case you don't know what it looks like, it is so much fun, and it's like a super perfect summer palette. That is just perfection, summer written all over it, and it is amazing, so beautiful, so many pigments. Let me tell you how much that retails for. It is $60, and it is the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is grab a 5, which is this one right here, which is a really nice orangey shade, super vibrant. And I'm just going to pack it in the outer corner. I actually kind of want to do a halo eye. It's been a while since I've done actually a colorful look, and I feel a little weird because I've been rocking nothing but like super everyday kind of shades. But I think that this is a really fun palette that we really need to just, play with. Why not? It's just makeup. It actually washes off. All right, I'm going to take a D5. I'm going to pack it right in the center where we did not apply any eyeshadows. I'm going to bring it all the way up. I'm going to start blending and making sure that those two colors are nice and blended together. All right, guys, so I am going to take a 4, which is this one right here. I'm just going to run it down on the lower lashes just for a little extra fun of pop of color. So I am going to combine a little bit of A1. I'm just going to drag it and just try to meet it with the orange that we have in the outer corner. Taking C1 for our inner corner highlight and bringing it down. So the next product is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder in Translucent, and this retails for $38. I already have mine as well in translucent, so I am going to put this one for a future giveaway. All right, so the next item that we have is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. This retails for $25. Absolutely stunning. It just feels so luxurious, and I'm so happy that we got this one in the box because I have been wanting to try it. The next item that we hear, speaking of lashes, we did get some falsies. One is the Norvina False Lashes in Snazzy, and this retails for $12. Of course, we're going to get a brow product, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, and this retails for $23, and I got mine in the shade Taupe. And the last product that we have is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Malt. And the liquid lipstick retails for $20. All right, so here is the swatch, and this liquid lipstick retails for $20. Alright guys, so yeah, that's it for the unboxing and the try on portion of this video. This month was definitely amazing, especially if you got the premium box, because it is really, really, really good. I do love and really enjoy Anastasia Beverly Hills products, so I hope that you like them too. Anyway, let me know in the comment section down below what you got, and that's it. Thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye. By the way, this lip with this look, a little too much for me. Definitely a nudie lip will be so much better, but you know, for the video.